Hey, welcome to Beyond Buzz. Look up at the night sky. For millennia, we've gazed upward, searching for meaning in the stars. Once, we saw myths. Now, we see worlds. Destinations. A little over 50 years ago, humanity took its first steps beyond Earth in a race between superpowers. That era gave us footprints on the moon and satellites in orbit. But after those first leaps, exploration slowed. Now, the silence is broken. A new space race has begun, but this time the players and the stakes are different. It's not just nations. Private companies like SpaceX and rising powers like China are in the game. The goals are grand: Mars, permanent lunar bases, and a sustained human presence in space. The energy is palpable. A new heroic age of exploration is here. Imagine a SpaceX rocket poised in Florida, ready to land itself after launch. A Long March rocket lifting China's ambitions skyward. These are not isolated events, but the drumbeats of a new era. The stakes go far beyond flags. They're about humanity's future. This race is about unlocking mysteries, developing transformative technologies, and securing our place in the cosmos. It's a competition of ideas, engineering, and willpower. Today, we witness the opening chapters of this incredible story. The cosmos is calling, and this time, we answer with a chorus of voices. The new space race is underway. The universe awaits. In this new space age, one name stands out: SpaceX. Led by Elon Musk, SpaceX has rewritten the rules of space travel. For decades, rockets were single-use, expensive, and disposable. SpaceX saw reusability as the key to breaking this barrier. The idea: launch a rocket, land it vertically, and fly it again. Early attempts ended in fiery failures, but each taught valuable lessons. In 2015, a Falcon 9 booster landed safely. History was made. This breakthrough slashed launch costs and opened space to more players. Suddenly, satellite constellations and commercial missions became possible. SpaceX resumed astronaut launches from American soil, accelerating the pace of exploration. But their vision goes further. Mars. Starship, their next-generation vehicle, is designed for full reusability and interplanetary travel. Test flights in Texas push boundaries, sometimes ending in fireballs, always moving forward. Each launch, success or failure, brings us closer to a multi-planetary future. SpaceX is not just launching rockets, they're launching humanity's next chapter. The race to Mars is on. The sky is no longer the limit. While SpaceX disrupts, China ascends with methodical precision. The China National Space Administration pursues a long-term, state-driven strategy. Their lunar program, Chang'e, has achieved historic firsts, landing on the moon's far side, returning lunar samples. China built its own space station, Tiangong, with taikonauts living and working in orbit. In 2021, China's first Mars mission succeeded on all fronts: orbiter, lander, and rover. Their ambitions reach further: Jupiter, asteroids, and human missions to the Moon and Mars. China is not just catching up, they're charting their own course. Each mission builds on the last, reflecting national pride and technological prowess. China's steady progress is reshaping the global space landscape. The long march continues. SpaceX and China. Two titans, two philosophies, one goal: the stars. SpaceX moves fast, embracing risk and public failure to innovate rapidly. Their vision is bold: colonization, commercialization, and a multi-planetary future. China's approach is methodical, state-driven, and risk-averse, building capability step by step. SpaceX is vertically integrated, controlling every aspect for speed and flexibility. China's vast network of state-owned entities ensures reliability and national alignment. Their hardware reflects their philosophies: SpaceX's radical Starship versus China's proven, reliable designs. One sprints with disruptive leaps, the other runs a determined marathon. Both are propelling humanity forward at unprecedented speed. The race is on, and the world is watching. Where does NASA stand in this new era? Once the undisputed leader, NASA now adapts. No longer the sole operator, but a powerful enabler. Through partnerships like the Commercial Crew Program, NASA fostered a new commercial space industry. Now, NASA focuses on the frontier. The Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon, this time to stay. Artemis is about building a sustainable lunar base and a gateway for Mars. The Space Launch System and Orion capsule are monumental achievements, despite delays. NASA leads in robotic exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope and Mars rovers push the boundaries of science. NASA's strength is its experience, infrastructure, and vision for deep space. The agency is the seasoned veteran, guiding humanity into the unknown. NASA's next chapter is just beginning. The new space race is a dance of cooperation and competition. NASA and SpaceX are partners. SpaceX flies cargo and astronauts, and will land Artemis crews on the moon. Yet, they're also rivals. SpaceX's Mars ambitions outpace NASA's timelines. This friendly rivalry drives innovation and progress. With China, the relationship is pure competition. US law restricts cooperation, creating parallel paths in space. The International Space Station is a model of global partnership, while China's Tiangong station forms its own sphere. Two blocks are emerging, each vying for leadership and influence. The stakes are geopolitical as well as scientific. The future of space exploration depends on how these giants compete and perhaps cooperate. The balance is delicate, and the outcome will shape our destiny beyond Earth. Why does this matter? The new space race is a powerful engine for discovery and innovation. Every mission expands human knowledge and drives technology that benefits life on Earth. Space challenges us to invent, adapt, and solve problems. Advances in AI, materials, and sustainability follow. Beyond technology, space exploration inspires us, uniting humanity in wonder and ambition. It reminds us we are all crew members on Spaceship Earth. The ultimate goal, survival. A self-sustaining presence on another world is our insurance policy. Becoming multi-planetary safeguards our future. This race is about more than pride. It's about the fate of our species. The cosmos calls, and we must answer. Our future depends on it. As we stand on the edge of a new age, the future of exploration is bright. NASA's Artemis missions will return humans to the moon, building a permanent outpost. SpaceX's Starship will push the boundaries, aiming for Mars and beyond. China's ambitions grow, expanding Tiangong, landing on the moon, reaching deeper into the solar system. The race for resources and scientific firsts on the moon will define the next decades. NASA provides vision and stability. SpaceX brings speed and disruption. China ensures no one rests. This three-way dynamic creates a golden age of exploration. The future is a branching tree of possibilities, all reaching for the stars. The universe is about to get very busy. The view from tomorrow is filled with new worlds.